Yo, it's been brought to my attention that gas is over $5 now. Oh my God! Yeah, we gotta fix that. To start off this custom, we're gonna be using the triple white Air Force Ones. At first glance, they might look like your ordinary triple whites, but don't be fooled. These joints are the ultra luxury pair. Do y'all smell that? Genuine leather, baby. We got ourselves a project today, boys. So my homie Neek went ahead and surprised me with these pieces right here that he whipped up with his 3D printer. So originally I was gonna put these in something else, but once I thought about it, I was like, you know what? Air Force Ones have been out for a minute, so let's go ahead and throw ourselves some wheels in these things and see how they do. If you've been following me for a while, you already know that I'm not a stranger to customs, but if you're new to the channel here, this one's going to be interesting because I've never done something like this. So if you aren't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This video right here won't work unless that subscribe button is clicked. So what are you doing? I'm watching you. Click it. Make sure you click it. Okay, we're good. All right, let's go.
First things first, we got to clean these soles up because they're kind of dirty. Good to go.
Here's one more look at the soles before we clean them. And I think this is my first time showing you guys my actual product on a YouTube video. So this is my sneaker cleaner. If you guys would like to purchase it, the link will be down below in the description. It literally works wonders and it works on everything. So if you guys would like to support me, I'll have a code down below that will get you some money off. I also have brushes for sale as well. This is the sole brush, so let's get it started. Just like that, they look brand new. So basically what I'm doing right now is just figuring out where I want to place my wheel holder. I don't want it too far back because I feel like it won't be as functional. And it looks like the Air Force One soles are thick enough on the sides to host something like this. If I did it on a thinner midsole, you might see it poke out of the insole area. But in terms of sizing, everything looks like it'll fit perfectly. I'll be using this pen right here from Tandy Leather to create a guide for me so I know exactly where to cut. This might be a bit difficult to see, but you see all the silver pen marks? That is the border which I'll stay within. So when I cut, I'm gonna cut a little bit on the inside of this border right here that I've made. The reason I like to use this pen is because I could rub it off if I need to. So just to make it more clean, after everything is done, I could wipe this off and I don't have to worry about seeing any of these pen marks since it's a temporary pen. We just ran to the store real quick. Picked up this Dremel 3000. I'll have a link down below. Okay, before we start the Dremel process, I'm gonna take the insole out. Always remember that safety is our #1 priority. Take your time during this process because you don't want to slip up. Literally, this whole situation could go south real quick, so I'm advising you guys, please, please, please take your time. You could legit lose a finger doing this in the whole cutting process and everything, so please be careful, peoples. There we go. This is what an Air Force One looks like. But we still have plenty that we gotta cut out. If you're wondering why I look like this, keep in mind that this rubber is super hot, so it's flinging all over the place. You can literally see pieces on my window. This rubber is heated up, essentially melting, and it's hitting me all over the place, and it's drying on my skin. So I figured, you know what? Let me just cover myself up a little bit.
Update. This is how everything looks like hollowed out. I basically got to the inside of this area right here. So the area that you see, if I press it, and you can see my finger right there. So that's basically the only thing that is left, and I'm gonna leave it like that because everything fits perfectly. I think this is probably the most messy custom I've ever done, but it might be the most rewarding. Who knows? So it's a tight fit, but press everything in. Look at that. Little puckering right here. Oops. Slight puckering. But yo, check that out. Check that out. Some gaps here and there, but I mean, it's not too bad. Not too bad. And it's flush. So all I gotta do is glue these things in now, pop the wheels in, and we got ourselves some Air Force One Heelys. Here's how the shoe is looking. I did a little roll around and everything works perfectly. So now we could get on to the gluing process. I'm gonna pop this out and we're gonna be using Barge Super Stick Cement. This specific glue will be linked down below in the description if you guys want to pick this up. I highly recommend it because this is one of the strongest glues that you can use for shoes, which is why I'm using it for this project right here. First things first, I'm going to use a vacuum to kind of clean this area out, make sure I get all of this powder so the glue is able to adhere properly. At this point, you guys are probably wondering, do these even work? Well, I'm kind of curious too, so let's go ahead and let's try this out. Insoles are popped in, and luckily I have a nice smooth floor to work with. Okay, all right. They feel like Heelys. All right, let me hit this over here. Let me hit this. Watch out, butters. We gotta go crazy, okay? Watch out. Woo! They work! Success! Butters! It's a success! Did you see that? Butters, did you see that? Wait, check this out, check this out. Okay, we'll race to the end, okay? Woo! I'm beating you! Yo! Hold up. Just skating in my Air Force Ones. Wow, fully functional. Oh my god. Oh my god, fully functional. Fully functional. This is amazing. This is amazing. Woo-hoo. Give me that. You have a toy right there. Hey, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Rah!
just like that, we are wrapping up the last video of the year. 2022 will mark the 10 years I've been on YouTube with this channel right here. So I really wanted to focus on incorporating different things on this channel. So I'm super excited to see what 2022 has in store for us. If y'all want to try this custom on your own, I will be selling wheel holders on my website at shopsoltopia.com. I'm currently working with my boy Neek, who provided those holders for me. So I'm gonna start off with a small quantity, being that they're 3D printed and they do take a while to produce. I will be selling a few already made pairs on my site as well. The best thing you could do is follow me on Instagram at SneakerHeadInTheBay. That's where I'll post and notify you guys when items go live on my website. But with all that being said, I want to thank you guys so much again for watching my videos, and I appreciate every single person that watches these. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you've been rocking with me for a while, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you guys for the very next video in 2022. Be safe, y'all. Have a great one, and I'll see you guys for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.